In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down a very high level overview of how to create content that converts into clients for your business. Now, the reason I've discovered this and figured this out is because Howdy Media, my personal media company that I built over the last 3 years, we've scaled to multiple six figures using this exact strategy. And if it weren't for content, I would not be anywhere close to where I'm at. And I still consistently have tens of leads come in every single week that are fairly qualified from the content that they've seen online. And so I'll be in public, I'll be talking to people in our insiders group, our clients, and they're repeating things back to me that we've already said and taught because they watch our videos. So first of all, thank you for watching the videos if you watch. Second of all, I hope this brings some clarity to how you can create content for the consumer that eventually turns them into a client. So let's go to our handy dandy iPad here. This is the content that converts funnel system. Now, you've heard of a funnel. If you've been in business at any point in time, everything is a funnel. So you're creating awareness, then it goes to interest, desire, action, and finally they become a client. So how does this apply for creating content? And content is photos, videos, TikToks, Reels, all of the above that they can consume online. That's what I would say creating content is now in 2025. So step number one is awareness. This is where people see you. They become aware of your existence. Because let me tell you this, there are tons of people out there who are already looking to buy what you have to sell, but it is your responsibility to get in front of them and make yourself known and available. Because if you don't do that, they will never have an opportunity to find what it is that you're doing, your business, your product, your service, whatever it is. You have to do things in order to make them aware of you. So we do this by creating trending videos, authentic, trust building relationships. And so you want to hit up all the platforms. Obviously, I would heavily suggest to focus on either one or two platforms at the beginning if you're just starting, and try to dial in and figure out exactly how you like to create content. This just allows you to have practice and it's not going to stress you out. So pick one or two platforms and go all in on those platforms and do some research beforehand. Whoever your target audience is, even go to ChatGPT, ask where my target audience is within my specific industry, and it will spit out, okay, these are the platforms you should probably be pushing, because all of the users on each platform are a little bit different. So create awareness, and you do this by creating as much content as you can and putting it on the same platform, showing up consistently, because the algorithms, especially on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, promote things to people, or they promote your content if you're consistent. And so obviously, if you think about it from a big picture point of view, the more views you get, the more odds of them clicking or taking an action or following your account there is. So you want to just basically cast out a wide net. And there's a couple different strategies. You can cast out very small nets and look for very specific people, or you can cast the biggest net that you have and try to capture as many fish or clients that you can. And so you're going to have to reach more people, but it's going to be the same amount of leads as if you were to reach out to an individual person or do one-on-one calls type thing. So once they become aware of you and who you are as a person in a business, they're going to check you out. If you make good content, they're going to check your profile out because for some reason the algorithm fed them your video. And it's probably because they like and watch the same type of content that you are putting out. And so once you become aware in their eyes, they then become interested. And so whenever I say they become interested, this means they follow you and they subscribe to your channel. Follow on social, subscribe. If you do a good job, once they become aware, they'll click on your profile, look at a few other videos, and then it really should only take 2 or 3 videos for them to be convinced that, hey, this guy knows what he's talking about. This is really valuable content. And so then they'll go and hit subscribe and follow your social medias or wherever they discover you at that moment in time. So now they've shown interest in your content and they are sucked into your followers and subscribers. So after that, you keep posting, keep providing value, keep showing them how you are solving their problems. And once you do this over time, it promotes desire in the consumer's eyes. So, for example, if you're a real estate agent and you create content constantly talking about how valuable buying a home is, it's like, hey, you're wasting all this money renting homes whenever you could be buying properties and building your equity. They're going to see the solution that you have to their problem. And so you're going to go from their problem and you're going to show them a solution. And so there's multiple different ways that you can pull this off. This is just an overhead view, and hopefully we'll break this down a little bit further in some separate videos. But you're going to want to create a desire and show them that you have the solution to their problem. And this can be obvious, like call to action type things, or it can be very subtle and subconscious, which is my favorite thing to do, especially like on Instagram. I make funny content, I make educational content, but I never really say exactly like, hey, I own a media company, we do consulting, hire us to do this thing. Like, I don't really say that to their face. I insert subliminal messages and like put little links in the descriptions, and like if I do mention it, it's very quickly and very brief, because if you think about content, these consumers are getting on social media not to be sold to. They are getting on social media to be educated or entertained. That's the only reason they're on social. They don't want to be sold to. This is not 2005. Like, create content for the consumer and watch your business change. So once you keep creating this content that's providing value constantly, it builds up a desire in them. Say like, okay, let's go back to the real estate thing. They realize after watching your content and it rewires their brain and how they think, they're like, man, I really do need to buy a house. And so then, because they're watching your content, you're going to be the go-to person that they want to reach out to, because they know, like, and trust you from watching your content. And so the next thing after that is going to be the action step. And this is where they're going to take action on one of your CTAs, or a call to action. Now you ask, what is a call to action, Darren? A call to action is any time that you give them an opportunity to take an action, click a link, send you a message, book a meeting, book a call, whatever it is, you are giving them an opportunity to do so. So for an example, if I'm making a YouTube video on how to utilize content that converts into clients, you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to create content that converts into clients. And so at the end of this video, I'm going to say, hey, if you would like more help, there's going to be a link in the description. We can hop on a free 15-minute discovery call, no cost to you. Let's talk about how we can work together. And that's it. That's my call to action. And so there actually is going to be a link. That was just an example. But that's an example of a call to action. If you've ever seen on Instagram, somebody says in the description, comment the word me, and I'll send you my free blueprint or my free guide to fashion, my free ebook, whatever it is, that means they have an automation system set up using a program called ManyChat. And on the back end, they've set up triggers. That's what they're called. They're called triggers. So as soon as you comment on that post, this trigger is automatically responding to your comment and DMing you from their account. And it'll send you what we call a lead magnet, or if it's just something free with no exchange of email or anything, it's just a free resource for you to have. And so that's a call to action in the description. Comment me to get my free ebook. I have done that so much, and I've used that to build my email list, because that's one thing that nobody can take away from you. So if you can have a chance to take them from the platform to an email list, nobody can take that away from you. So keep that in mind. You want to be funneling them all towards your business in some sort of way, whether it's you getting in their email address, and then on the email side, you can send them a drip campaign full of a bunch of automated emails, or if it's booking a call, whatever it is, give them an opportunity to get off of the platform and into your ecosystem with your business. And so after that, that's going to be more of a sales process, but that's how you create the awareness, by creating content that is entertaining and educational and utilizing trends and viral things going on. Just get the views and get in front of people with sending subconscious signals that, hey, don't necessarily say you're a real estate agent. Don't necessarily say you own a cleaning company, but subtly add hints. Be in a studio, be in your office with a bunch of mops in the corner, whatever it is that you're selling, and that's going to give them a hint and let them know what you do without having to explicitly say, hey, I do this, buy my services. Because that gives off like car salesman vibes. We don't want that. Nobody likes being sold to. So after that, they start getting hooked on your stuff, and you create a desire by showing them this is what they need and this is what they're missing out on. And so in order for them not to miss out, click this link and let's book a call and let's fix it. So that's what we do. As another example, I'll post a piece of content. It's like, hey, if you want to create content that converts, that's literally what this video is right now that you're watching. If you want to make content that converts and you want to stop guessing about what you're making, you want to save more time, you want to film 10 times the amount of content in a tenth of the time, and film one time a week and not have to worry about it the rest of the week, like hit all these pain points, I have the systems, I have the solutions for you. And so I can save you the time. I can show you what tools to utilize, how to use them, how to film, how to batch create, like where to get your ideas from. I have all these answers. And so through my content, I am providing a solution for you. And so I hope this helped. I hope this gave you a good overview understanding of how to actually create a content system utilizing reels, photos, and social media in order to get clients for your business. And like I said, this is how I built Howdy Media from the ground up. I created content that was funny and relatable, and then it created an awareness and a buzz around town, because every time I went to a restaurant, every time I went to somebody's house, somebody was bringing up the content that I made. And like, it may have not even been anything about my service or industry. It was just funny. Like, they're seeing you. That's the whole point of creating awareness. And then add subtle hints that, hey, oh yeah, by the way, I'm a videographer. We do video production. And then they're there because they're being entertained. But then at the very end, you're like, oh yeah, hey, also, I'm a realtor. So hope this helped. If you have any more questions, or if you have tried this system in the past, let me know in the comments section. I'm always eager to hear what you guys have learned and what has worked for y'all. Disclaimer, this is a very general idea. I'm not guaranteeing you success, because that is going to be determined by you and you alone if you take action and implement this stuff. So if you don't do that, I can't promise you any results, But I hope this gave you some sort of value and some goals for you to go and execute and start creating content, because that's what it's all about. Half the battle is getting started. So let me know in the comments how it goes, and I'm excited to hear some success stories from this type of funnel system. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.